Welcome to this solution video. This is the solution video of Nov-Dec 2022 Core Mathematics. If you like this video, please click on thumbs up icon, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Question number 1, A part, the second and fourth term of a GP. So we should first know, if we want to say second term, it will be the first term. I'm calling it A, you can call it U1 or just U, multiplied by the common ratio. This is the second term and they are saying it is 54. Now fourth term will be A or 4 minus 1, which is 3. Or it is always, I hope you know this, the UN is U1 multiplied by Rn minus 1, and I'm writing U1 as A. It is equal to 6. Alright, find the nth term, which is UN of the sequence. That means if I find first term and R, only n minus 1 will be left out in UN. So let's find U1. Okay, so let me do U4 divided by U2. Let me divide them. Purpose is that this A will get cancelled out. How? Like this, AR cube, U4 is AR cube, U2 is AR, A and A got cancelled. They are 6 over 54. Yes, 6 over 54. So R cancels with one of the R's, so it is R square equal to 6 and 54. Also cancel out 1 and 9. Now square root both sides. R is 1 over 3. R is with us. Now we can find A, which is U1. So let me use this, which is this part rather. So A I want to find, R we know 1 over 3 is equal to 54. Cross multiply this here by 3, must multiply this by 3. So 3 and 3 cancel here. So A is 162. So they're saying find UN. So UN is 162 times 1/3 to the power n minus 1. That's the nth term of the sequence. B. If log 5x minus 4 is equal to this, find the value of x. And the best part here is all three of them are log and of same base, which is 10. Right? So let's leave the left side log 5x minus 4 as it is, but because these two logs are adding, we will multiply their contents. So log x plus 1 multiplied by 4. Right? Okay. So both of them are logs, so we can ignore logs, just equate their contents. So 5x minus 4 is equal to 4x plus 4. Yeah, 4 times x, 4 times 4. Let's bring x there and negative 4 here. So 5x minus 4x is equal to 4 plus 4. X is equal to 8. Got both parts. All right. Let's talk about question number 2. Question number 2 says Mr. Gabriel is 4 times as old as his son. So Mr. Gabriel is 4 times his son. So I am writing Mr. Gabriel's age as J, his son's age as S. 4 years ago. Okay, Gabriel will be J minus 4, right? Whatever he is now, minus 4. He was 7 times as old as his son. 7 times, his son would also be 4 years younger. Both of them are 4 years younger. Okay, in how many years will Mr. Gabriel's age be twice his son's age? So let's find this first and then we'll find the answer of the last part. So j is equal to 4s. So let's substitute this j by 4s minus 4 equal to 7s minus 28. Just like the previous question, I will just collect s's on one side and numbers on one side. So 4s minus 7s equal to negative 28 plus 4. Negative 3s is equal to 24. Divide both sides by negative 3. So s comes out to be negative 24 over negative 3 will be 8. So his son is 8 years old. Son's age equal to 8 years. Mr. Jibril's age is 4 times his son's age. 4 times 8 rather, not 32. 4 times 8 is 32. Now they're saying, in how many years will Mr. Jibril's age be twice as his son's? His age right now is 32. So let's say after x years. Okay, it will be double. So 32 plus x, he's 32 right now. X years later, his age will be 32 plus x. Will be twice his son's age, which is 8 plus x, right? And again, we'll simplify it the way we've been doing it. 32 plus x equal to 16 plus 2x. X minus 2x equal to 16 minus 32. So negative x equal to negative 16. X is 16. So we can write here that 16 years later, Mr. Jibril's age will be twice his son's age. Let's verify. After 16 years, he's 32 right now, plus 16 makes it 48. His age will be 48. Son's age is 8 plus 16, 24. 48 is twice of 24. Perfect. Our answer is correct. Okay, we have a circular theorem question here. So let me write the question also. Okay. In the diagram, O is the center. We can see this of the circle M and P. If angle MOP is 110, MOP at the center is 110 degrees. Find the value of X. This one. Okay. For that, let me do what? Let me add one extra angle from M to the circumference and from the same point P also. And let me put this point as K. Okay. So the angle MKP, first we will write construction. Draw another angle from M and P on the circumference. This is construction from our side. Okay. So angle MKP, this angle will be half of 110. Yes or no? Because from the same chord, if we subtend an angle on the center, is always double of the angle if we subtend on the circumference anywhere, which is 55 degrees. This angle is 55 degrees. Now we can write quadrilateral MKPN is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? So angle MKP plus X, they are the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, right? And the sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is always 180 degrees. MKP we got 55 plus x equal to 180 degree, x equal to 180 minus 55, which is 135 degrees. This question is also done and dusted. Let's see if we have another part for this. So we have it actually. So there are m identical beads in a bag. 50 are blue, 30 are red. So we do not know how many more make m. So let's try to visualize this, okay? We have total m beads. So 50 are blue and 30 are red. Rest are white. So let's call them x. Okay, let's call it x. Okay. So what is that? If the probability of choosing at random a white bead is 1/3, find the value of m. What they are trying to say that x is 1/3 of total m. That's how we find probability, right? Probability of white will be number of white beads divided by total number of beads, correct? Which is x divided by m. And they said it is 1/3. And this fact will help us to find m. Yeah, they're asking m. X is not their interest. We'll find m. Okay. So can I say that 50 plus 30 plus x is equal to m? Can I say that? Total number of beads 50 plus 30 plus x will be m. Right? There is no bead which is not either of these three. So what can I say? X is m minus 80, right? 50 plus 3, 80, and goes to the right side. M equal to m minus 80, and that's what I'm going to substitute here. M minus 80 over m equal to 1/3. Cross multiply 3m minus 80 equal to m times 1, m. 3m minus 240 equal to m. 3m minus m equal to 240. 2m equal to 240. Divide both sides by 2. We get m equal to 120 beads. All right. Do we have next? Okay. We have here, which is the height, h meters of water above sea level at the entrance to a dock is given by this. So this is sea level, and h is the height. Interestingly, they have used h as well as y for the same parameter. Okay, still we'll do it. A, the value of y when x is 12. So value of y when x is 12 will be 18 minus 10 sine 5 times 12 degrees, and x is between 0 and 15, and x is 12. That's fine. It satisfies the situation. So y equal to 18 minus 10 sine 60 degrees. So y equal to 18. Use your calculator. You'll find that this sine 60 is square root 3 over 2. We'll cancel 2 and 10. So it becomes 18 minus 5 square root 3. Have they said that we have to give exact value? They have not. So let's evaluate with the help of the calculator. 18 minus 5 square root 3 is 9.3397, or 9.34 meters. Okay, correct to two significant figures x when y is 10. So we have to find when y is 10. This is B part. 18 minus 10 sine 5x. Okay, so we have to find x, but the value of x has to be between 0 and 15. Just keep in mind. Okay, so first let's take this. Mostly what happens to the students, they subtract 18 minus 10, 8. No, don't do that. 10 is multiplying with sign, so we can't do that. This 18 has to come here. So 10 minus 18 equal to negative 10 sine 5x. Another mistake, they ignore this negative. It is with 10, not with anyone else. So negative 8 equal to negative 10 sine 5x. And let's divide both sides by negative 10. Negative cancel, 4 over 5, right? If I cancel these two, 4/5 equal to sine 5x. Now we have to see when sine is positive 4/5. Right? Positive means sine will be in this quadrant or this quadrant. In both these two quadrants, sine is positive, and we'll find sine inverse 4/5. So 5x is going to be sine inverse 4 over 5. Let me use my calculator to evaluate this. By the time I do this, I would request you to hit that thumbs up icon, to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to motivate me many more videos based on Waec Wassce. So I got here 53.13, and this is not x actually, because x has to be between 0 and 15. This is 5x, so we will divide both by 5. So divide by 5 equal to 10.626 to 10.63, which is perfectly between 0 and 15. Let's see if this second answer is also between 0 and 15, though I think it is not, but let me additionally do it. Never ever leave any stone unturned to answer a question. So this is 53.13, this one, right? So this angle will be 180 minus 53.13, which is equal to 5x. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. Let me see if it is equal to something between 0 and 15. 126.87 divided by 5 will be 25 and plus, and it is much more than this. So no, this answer was not required. Just for the sake of finding out, I did it. So this is the only answer we have. Oh, it is not degree actually. Yeah, as I said, x is some variable. So 10.63. Okay. Question number 5, last of the compulsory questions. The area of an equilateral triangle is 53 square root 3. Let me draw an equilateral triangle. Okay, so the area equal to 53 square root 3. We know this is 60 degrees, right? Can I somehow find the height so that I can find the area? So what are they asking for? Find the correct to the nearest, the perimeter. So we'll find the side first. Rather, for making it simple, let me assume this as 2x, not x, because halving it will be a little problematic. So this is what I will do. So what is the area in this case? Area is half base times height. Let's call it h. Right? 2 and 2 cancel. So area equal to xh, which is actually 53 square root 3. But this h has to go because I want to find x for the perimeter, not h. So can I say, let me do it here, h, this is opposite to the 60 degree, divided by 2x, hypotenuse, is equal to sine 60 degrees, right? So h over 2x, and we just got in previous part the value of sine 60 is square root 3 over 2. So I want to eliminate h, so I have to isolate h here. So it will become 2 times square root 3 x cross multiply over 2. So this cancels. H is square root 3x, which we can substitute here. So area is x times square root 3x, right? And it is equal to 53 square root 3. Let's divide by square root 3 so that we get rid of square root 3 from both sides. So x square is equal to 53. And if I square root both sides, x will be 53. That is the side here. 2x will be those, so I can write here side, one side of equilateral triangle is 2x, right? So 2x, which is 2 times, we got the value of x square root 53. But finally they were asking what is the perimeter. So perimeter will be 3 times, because all three sides are 2x, 3 times 2 square root 53, which is 6 square root 53, and we have to give this answer in to the nearest tenth. So 6 square root 53 equals to 43.68, and is it centimeter? Yes, centimeter. But we want nearest tenth. Nearest tenth is this one, so 43.7 centimeters. That's what we can write. Final answer. This concludes my video on the compulsory part of the exam. Wait for the rest of the questions in next video. Till then, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much.